Hello and welcome to this tour of number 10 Cartmel Drive here in Woodley. That's the house behind me. My name is Gary, I'm from WhiteKnights and I shall be giving you the tour. Basically what we have here is a 3-bedroom semi-detached house, one of the larger style of the Cook's built houses. Quite a nice frontage, as you can probably see, with the wrought iron gates. Just before we go inside, I'm just going to give you an idea of the location, the actual road itself. Let me step to one side and let's just do a quick spin round, because the road is very quiet, as you can see, but also very pleasant. 1950s built Cook's houses, all with nice frontages and good sized gardens. So let me take you inside and let's give you a tour. Okay, so I'm now behind the camera, so to speak. Let's start with a tour. First of all, we're in the entrance hall. Behind the front door there is an entrance porch. You can see a little side window there that takes you to the side corridor. Let me step over to one side here and turn round. There's the staircase with a little cupboard underneath. And then we have doors to the kitchen in front, and to the left here, this takes you into the lounge. So let's start with the lounge. It's to the front aspect. You can see we've got a gas fire there. So the property has double glazed sealed unit windows. You can just about see through the window there. You can hopefully make the image there, which is a nice walled front boundary, block paved drive with parking for a number of cars. Back to the lounge itself, it opens up through the double doors there into the dining room. These doors are sliding doors. As you can probably see, the property does need some updating inside, but good sized rooms. It's also gas radiator central heating. You can see the sliding patio doors just to the rear garden. There's the view. I'll show you the garden at the end of the tour. Okay, so that's the lounge and the dining room. We now step into the kitchen. Okay, work surfaces to the left at the end where you've got the sink, and also just slightly there to the right. Again, rear aspect window. We have eye level units. And the door here takes you to the side sort of corridor. I'm going to show you this before we go upstairs, because there's a utility room as well. Just here, looking left, there's a door direct to the garden. The door in front takes you straight into the garage, and then spinning round to the right, that takes you through to the front driveway. Let me show you in here. First of all, the garage. It's a decent size, as you can see. It's a very large single garage. There's the up and over door at the front. We've got power and light. And if I just spin round, here is the utility room. So this is at the back end of the garage. Got a double glazed sealed unit UPVC window. There's a work surface. And in the corner you can see we have an enamel, what's called a butler sink. Washing machine, tumble dryer space underneath there. In fact, there is a radiator here to the left as well. So that's the utility room and the garage. Let's now take you back into the house. And we'll go upstairs and have a look at the first floor. So this is the first floor landing. You can see we've got a side aspect window there. Just going to point upwards because we've got access to the roof space just there. And then 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. Let's start with the main bedroom. I believe it's this one to the rear. You can see that's where the bed recess would have been. Wardrobes either side and overhead storage cupboards, but if I just spin round, you'll see we've got more wardrobes just here. And the rear aspect window with a radiator underneath. That's the first bedroom. This bedroom I think would be the second, but once again we've got a range of fitted wardrobes there, as you can see, literally wall to wall. A front aspect window. And then the third bedroom is this one here. I'm going to step into the room again because we've actually got a double and single built-in wardrobe just there That's unusual actually in the third bedroom, but just goes to show that we have got the room in this bedroom. This bedroom's around about 8 foot square, so it's actually quite a good third bedroom, this one. And then the bathroom. So it's a white suite, it's all tiled walls and flooring as well. There's the panelled bath, and I am just going to step in and turn around here because door's slightly open. Here's the airing cupboard, and the reason I'm showing you this is because we have the gas-fired boiler there as well. Okay, so that is the property. Let's now take you into the rear garden. The garden enjoys quite a sunny aspect. You can just about see the sun's coming into the lens of the camera, so apologies for that. Hopefully you can see the garden clearly. Mainly laid to lawn with bushes either side, wooden panel fence around. Just going to spin to the right here because there's a raised sort of deck patio area here behind the garage, and then the rest of it is a patio here adjoining the house. Let me just have a wander down here. Got a couple of sheds, as you can see, left and right. But if I spin round, this then shows you the back of the house. And there's the garage to the left, with the door between the house and garage taking you through to that side corridor and then through to the front. So that's the tour of this property. If you think it's of interest, then please do give us a call to arrange a viewing appointment. The number is on the website. Any questions, my name's Gary, do ask for me. I look forward to showing anyone interested over the house. And thanks for watching.